The only thing that's going to stop you from making $1,000 this month is if number one, you are lazy, or number two, you are not serious about making money online this month. If you are not lazy or unserious, then congratulations to you, because this video you are about to watch will certainly show you how I made over $1,000 using just Google Maps. So the first thing you need to do is to pick a niche to target on Google Maps. There are many niches to target, but today I will focus on dentists. So after identifying your target audience, the next step is to join an affiliate network. ShareASale, Commission Junction, and Impact Radius are the three affiliate networks that work really well with this method. To join ShareASale, visit investorblak.com/ShareASale and create an account with them. To join Impact, visit investorblak.com/Impact and set up your affiliate account. You can also join Commission Junction, which is currently known as CJ Affiliates, by visiting investorblak.com/CJ. You can also set up your account with them. After joining the affiliate network, you need to search for a web hosting affiliate program that pays really well. Big web hosting companies like Bluehost, Hostinger, and Web Hosting Pad pays really well, so you can pick any of them. Web Hosting Pad pays me $100 for every sale made through my affiliate link. So to make $1,000 this month, all I need to do is make just 10 sales. So to do this, simply join the Web Hosting Pad affiliate program via Commission Junction or ShareASale to get your affiliate link. As you can see, I already have mine. After getting your affiliate link, the next thing you need to do is to set up a demo site. This demo site will be used to pitch to your targets. In my own case, my demo website is a dentist website since my targets are dentists. The dentist website can be hosted locally on your PC or online, but to cut costs, I highly recommend you host yours on your PC. To host the site on your PC, you need to set up a hosting environment on your computer using a software called WAMP Server. To get WAMP Server, simply visit investorblak.com/WAMP Server, scroll down, click on the download button, and finally install WAMP Server to your PC. Now that you've installed the hosting environment, you need to create your own website, and there are many ways to do this. You can build from scratch. You can use WordPress custom themes, which will save you plenty of time. Finally, you could use PHP scripts bought from Code Canyon. This is also a very fast way to set up your demo sites. Sometimes I use Code Canyon scripts and other times I use WordPress premium tips bought from Code Canyon. I highly recommend you do the same so you don't wear yourself out while trying to deliver to too many clients. To get your PHP scripts from Code Canyon at a discount, simply visit investorblak.com/Code Canyon and search for the word related to your target niche. In my case, I will search for the word dentist and buy suitable scripts. It could be a standalone PHP script or a WordPress premium theme depending on the target niche. To learn how to set up your WordPress site, you can click on the video popping up at the top right corner of your screen. After buying your scripts, you need to install it on your WAMP server by following the instructions contained in the scripts. All instructions on how to install your PHP scripts are usually contained in the documentation folder or the readme text file. After successfully installing your site on WAMP server, the next step is to make a demonstration of the website's functionalities and features. You can do this by using a screen recording software called OBS Studio. After creating the video, upload it to your YouTube account as an unlisted video. Now that you have uploaded the video, the next thing you need to do is to create a special WhatsApp link containing a custom message. You can do this by visiting investorblak.com/Walink. Scroll down to where it says create your free link here. Add your WhatsApp business phone number. Add your custom message. The message should look like this. Next, install WhatsApp Business Gold by visiting investorblak.com/WhatsAppBGold. Then create an auto response for the custom message you created earlier using Walink. It should include a link to the demo video you uploaded to YouTube earlier and a call to action, which is your affiliate link. After this, you need to search for prospects in your target niche using Google Maps. So guys, at this point you must have gotten your autoresponder and your custom WhatsApp link, plus your demo have been uploaded to YouTube as an unlisted video. The next thing you need to do now is to get your clients, is to get people that would buy from your hosting company and you will make $100. So to do that is very easy. All you have to do is go to google.com and search for dentist. So the case study for this video is dentist. So I'm going to say dentist in the US. Okay, you can say dentist in Nairobi, you can say dentist in Ghana, whatever country you want to target. All you have to do is just type dentist in the US. Now, don't make a mistake of typing dentists. Don't add an S in front of the dentist. Just write dentist. So I'm going to hit enter to show you what you do next. So once you type dentist in the US and you hit enter, it's going to take you to Google search results. Click on the maps tab and you're going to see a bunch of results. Okay. So as you can see right here, we have a bunch of websites. Okay. So what you want to do now is to get your clients. Now, to get your clients is very simple. You're looking for two things. You're looking for a company that doesn't own a website. So all these companies, they own websites, so they are not the best fit. They are not our target audience. Okay. This one doesn't have a phone number, although they don't have a website, but they don't have a way of contacting them. So you're going to skip this guy. Keep scrolling down. Keep scrolling down. Keep scrolling down until you see somebody that doesn't have a website but has a phone number. So I'm going to scroll down. Keep scrolling down. Keep scrolling down. Be patient. Keep scrolling down until you find somebody that doesn't have a website. So most of these people have websites. So I'm going to see, okay, so we have one here. So as you can see, this guy right here now, he doesn't have a website, but he has a phone number. This is A&T Dental. So what you want to do is to open your notepad. As you can see, I've gotten some numbers already. Open your notepad and copy the person's name, A&T Dentals. Copy the person's phone number. So I'm going to do that using a tool called RB Screen Reader. So I'm going to just copy, scan this guy's name, hit enter. Then I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to just delete every other thing apart from the name and the phone number. Okay. Now, what I'm doing here is that the first line I wrote name, comma, phone number. Then subsequently I wrote the company's name, comma, the company's phone number. The company's name, comma, the company's phone number. That's how you're going to be doing. So the more people you see right now, the more you add to your list. Now, once you've done that, you just keep going down until you see names. Trust me, there are a bunch of names. If I should search for dentist near me, because I'm in Nigeria, so let me just show you dentist near me, and I hit enter, you're gonna see a bunch of them. So let me say dentist in Port Harcourt, since my location is off. So I'm going to say dentist in PHCT. So as you can see, this guy right here doesn't have a website. So I can reach out to this guy. I can also reach out to this guy. I can reach out to this guy. So that's the idea. So you can reach out to this guy, this guy, this guy, copy their details and add to your notepad, just as you've seen me do. It must follow this format. Now, once you've gotten their details, it's time to send them an offer too good to refuse. An offer too good to refuse, because once you give them a good enough reason, they would buy. Okay, so that takes us to our copy. Now, this is where your knowledge of copywriting comes in. As you can see, I have a pre-formatted text here. So, for example, taking from this first person, Dentist USA, and their number, I'm going to copy their company name, Dentist USA. Hi, hello, Dentist USA. I'm Investor Blak, a web developer, and I have something exciting to share. We've created a remarkable website for Dentists USA, and you can take an early look today. But there's a twist. This opportunity is limited. To view your demo website and learn more, click here. Now, this place that they said click here, you will add the link to the custom WhatsApp link you created earlier using Walink. Okay, once you add it, it's going to take them to your WhatsApp. So let me just show you my WhatsApp. So this is the message that they are going to send you once they click on this link. They're going to say, "Hi Blak, I'm interested in your promo. Show me the website demo." Once they send this message, your autoresponder is automatically going to send this response. Here is your website demo, the link to the demo. Remember, the link to the demo is the link to the video you uploaded to YouTube. Then you now say all you need to do to claim this site is to get a very affordable web hosting plan. Very affordable web hosting plan from, you put your affiliate link here, web hosting pad. Now, I've done my research and web hosting pad is one of the most affordable affiliate links. So even if they click on it and they have other options, when they look around, they will still fall back to web hosting pad. This thing has worked over the years for me, and that is why I'm sharing it with you guys. So once they get this response and they click and they buy, if they are interested in this, because anybody that is serious about their business eventually gets a website, and when it's the better time to get a website than when it is offered to you on a platter of gold for free. So basically, you're creating a free website for them. In return, you're making $100. Now, you ask yourself, but how do I get these codes from Code Canyon? Because obviously, these things are paid scripts, and that's why I come in. I've been doing web development for some years now, and I can tell you that most of these scripts, I have them, and I am willing to share it with some of my students. I'm having a short class where I'll teach you how to get the scripts, how to install the scripts, and I'm also going to share like 30 more pre-formatted text. Okay, so pre-formatted text like this, I'm going to show you. Let me show you the second one at the bottom. So as you can see, this is another one. It's a format. So you put your prospect name here, you put your own name here, you put your prospect business name here. So it's the business name here, the business name here again, your WhatsApp link, then your name here. Once they read this message, they are going to click on the link and boom, they are in your DM, and you just have another $100. If you can send this to 100 to 200 persons and 1%, which is one person, you get 1% success rate. That's how we do this calculation. So once they click on it and they get paid, you made $100 just like that. Now, all you have to do with Code Canyon script is to just upload the script to your host, and that's what I'm going to be teaching you in the class. I don't need crowd. All I need is 20% that are really serious about making money online. Okay, if you want to make your first $1,000 online, this is the way to go. It is assured, it is guaranteed. It's something that I do personally. Just to show you, if I head over to my ShareASale account right here, you can see that my balance is about $1,600, as you can see. If I head over to my web hosting pad, you can see that web hosting pad pays me about $100 for every single sale I make. And as you can see, my balance is about $3,600. That means I've made over 36 sales. So what are you waiting for? If you snooze, you lose. Have a nice day and I love you guys. Bye.